So guys, what is this car?
Well, it's a beautiful Nissan R33 Skyline GTS. She's got an RB20E manual.
Yeah.
She's pick of the bunch, that's what you want.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been running for about 2 years now, getting thrashed in the paddock.
Yeah.
Just loves it really.
Yeah.
Only cost us $1,000. The clutch didn't last too long, so we upgraded that to a turbo clutch and a flywheel.
Yeah.
Had to lock the diff, because obviously one wheel wasn't that much fun. Still did get sideways, but yeah, just thrashed the hell out of this thing. I loves it. It's good fun.
So you'd say it's a good way to learn?
Oh yeah, I mean, like, $1,000. Can't really go wrong, you know.
Yeah. So yeah, this is a Skyline motor.
Yeah. Got a broken engine mount now, but we just fixed that with some hose clamps. We didn't have enough cable ties to do the job, or else they would have been the pick. But
yeah,
keeping it now. I've loosened off a little bit, but it's still holding the engine in place. Yeah, we got it stuck a few times, you know, getting the track
yeah,
nice and workable.
Okay guys, we're going for a lap on Dave's track. So here we go.
That doesn't help, eh?
No, it's hitting the fuel cut, but yeah, it's pretty cool. See the dust storm we made? Whoa. Hey guys, we're gonna try again. Start again from the top. Check the steering wheel out. Let's get busy on it. Come on, give me some power. Just cut it out.
Come on, second!
Yeah. Oh, nice fucking.
I'm still not happy with that lap.
Yeah.
One more for fun.
Here he comes. Yeah. And that's us finished drifting for the day. When you're done, park it up.
And the main thing is disconnect the battery.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't go flat, so we can use it again next time.
Mint.
Boom.
Gotta look after her. Okay.